Not to be too blunt, but I hope that Leafy knows I'll smoke him like the 2 blunts that are hanging out his nose.
Billy the Fridge!
Well, it looks like we're gonna be talking about fucking Billy the fucking Refrigerator, aka Billy the fucking Fridge.
Can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
Leafy, you came out to play. Sorry I missed you, Leafy. I was busy whooping ass! Tossing fish in that ass, Leafy.
Oh my god, Leafy. Bro. You got a refrigerator running towards you. You better fucking run, man. You better freaking run. Look at this motherfucker. This guy can stuff you inside him. This dude could even freaking sit on you and kill you. This dude is huge. I'd be scared shitless. Especially when he said he wants to shove fucking fish in your ass. What the fuck? Who the fuck wants to shove fish in somebody's ass? What the hell?
You have your army of children, but don't worry. I have toys to keep them busy, Leafy.
Damn as hell, if I ever had a fucking kid, I would never, ever let him or her go to your house and play with the toys you got. Bro, you fart once, you're gonna kill my fucking kid, okay?
We can play with blocks. We can play with sand. We can play with dirt, Leafy. We can bury the children in the dirt, Leafy. You son of a bitch.
Oh shit, guys. Oh shit. Oh shit. Here we go, guys. He's upset. He's upset. He's pissed. He wants to fucking kill Leafy. Oh my god. Motherfucker is so fucking fat. And yeah, I feel bad for Leafy.
You think I'm a fucking fool?
Yes, Billy the Fridge. You are a fool. You're the biggest fool I've ever met.
I'm a grown-ass man.
Yeah, you're a grown-ass man, alright. You're talking to a fucking balloon with a happy face on it. And you're recording it. Grown-ass man? Yeah, nah, I don't think you are. You're immature.
Punking me out! Little fucking kids are punking me out! You see, Leafy. You know. I could fucking end you!
Run, Leafy, run! He's coming for you! He's gonna shove fish in your ass, and he's gonna bring a whole bunch of fucking balloons for the little kids! Yay!
But seriously, dude, grow the fuck up.
I'm a giant! This is my party! I won't be crying!
This is my party, and I won't be crying!
Bro, you're crying. You're crying right now because little kids are punking you out. Alright, okay, so what if little kids are freaking punking you out? Grow the fuck up. Move on, fucking retard.
You! Leafy! You will be the one crying! Son of a bitch!
Ooh, so tough he is. Look at him breaking everything in this little room he's in. Ooh, here comes an earthquake. Boom, ba boom, ba boom.
Oh crap, I could feel it all the way over here, man.
You! Leaf! Fuck you!
Is he seriously gonna put on freaking lipstick on? Guys, I'm freaked out. This guy's putting lipstick on him. I think this guy needs to go to a fucking mental hospital. Somebody call 911 now.
Doom, 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 doom. Leave me. I'm coming for you.
I literally can't believe he actually did this. Oh my god. Look at this guy, looks fucking disgusting. He looks fucking ugly. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, you look like fucking Caitlyn Jenner had sex with freaking, I don't know, Smeagol, I guess. I don't know. Oh my god. You're fucking gross. Oh god. Oh god. I'm literally just looking at your face. How fucking pathetic you look right now. Oh my god. Oh god. So fucking disgusting. Oh, I'm gonna have freaking bad dreams. Yo, Leafy, this is my message to you, man. If you see this guy, fucking run. You're faster than him. This guy can only run so fast, you know. Just just run, man. Run for your life.